10:34.
10:34.
Ano yun? Ang sangay eh. Nagpaglagtanig ang ka? Itang talunan? Oo, nakalunan na. Kaya nila kap yung nilamlang lani.
Oo.
Yan. Sinutor ko ito. Hello! Morning!
Morning!
So dito nakatira sila people.
Yan yung salamin.
Yan.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Itong mga to, wala pa dati. Ito pa nag-tanim. Kap!
Yeah.
Kap! Buwan ka man.
I'm Bagnaldo. Hello. Good morning. Yeah. Yan.
Ito, pakanti kalate. Yung the land that we're trying yung ginugugol natin. Yung likod ng bahay na yan. Ito yung kung saan talaga.
Beautiful.
Hindi masakit sa pama?
Kailangan.
Ito naman, makakati ka dito.
Okay lang.
Papuntang
Punta dadaan.
Laod is north, right? Oh, no. East, west. We're going to west.
Dito tayo?
So doon. Yeah, doon tayo sa dagat. Yan, si Bisayang Ilocana. First time in the rice field.
So, walang ano nila.
Ito, tatanim yata nila rito mga gulay.
Also, if it's not season to plant rice, they cultivate this area and plant something else like
Something else.
vegetables.
Usually there's the corn. Kayo. Away in English. In Hawaii, we call it Hawaii. Oh, watch out with the drop. Soy.
Tabi. Tabi.
Ito yung dapat ito. Hanggang
Oh. Ang alarm mo.
Bakod.
Yeah.
Yung harap dyan, dyan yung tilapfish. Dito gabi.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I remember that.
So that's long. Ayok na
Tabi.
ito mga lupa ko na sinasaka. Ano mo may mga ano ito, nakakatinig.
So this is Beb's rice field. This is his property right here. From the mango tree all the way dito yata sa end. And lengthwise. This is his rice field and he's having it rented out because he's not here. That's why it looked already been plowed and cultivated, ready for planting. So he's just giving me a tour here. Meeting people that he talks to on the FaceTime, video chat, mga yon. So they knew me through those. And now that I'm here, it's time for me to meet them in person. So, ayan.
Ada siya, kulay. Merry Christmas.
Hello.
Kumay ko wali pakita dati ni mansion ni insan. Sumangpot po ko. Sumangpot na Jess yan.
Yes.
So talagang nakaano siya, may pagitan siya na hindi pinaplow. Like yan yung boundary. Yeah. From here to there and dun. That's Beb's land area na he is renting out. So those are corn. See, they already planted it, but we're taking a shortcut. Just make sure that we're not stepping on those mais, corn. So, ganyan. So, that's the baby corns. And this one. Ayan.
Ayan, oo. Cornfield. Cornfield. Yeah.
Di kayang tumalon? Siya lang malayo pa?
Kaya naman. Ay! Okay. At least maabot kita. Ayan.
Guys, masyambot mo ako.
Ingat. There you go. Easy. Easy money. Give me your give me your cell phone muna.
Ayya.
Oy. Magaya ka. So here, finally. Yeah.
fresh air
Smell like
with a
field.
touch of siga.
Rice field smell.
Rice field smell, and
Right.
then the smoke
Cornfield.
from the dry leaves that they burn every morning, or even at night you can still smell it. And then the different levels or different phases of planting. Ayan. So right now the season is corn,
Corn.
no
Summer.
rice, but these plots, tawag yan? Plots, they can change depende sa ano yung season na tanim. They can
Usually
do,
to ano lang to season rice and corn.
so
but
rice
before-
and corn, parang ganun lang.
Yeah, before when we were young, you can in this area because mataas to eh. The land is
Elevated.
elevated. Pababa ganon kasi to eh.
Oh,
So before nakaka 2 crops sila ng rice dito. Even summertime. Yeah. Okay.
and I think they do that from what I heard sa like agriculture videos. Diba they switch plants because yung bacteria, yung the insects, the kind of insects that eats the parang hindi
Tapos
sila maglagi, like they're gonna die because there's another different plant, and then by the time na grow na naman yung na yon para sa isang plant na yon, harvest na naman, iba na naman, maninibago na naman, mamamatay na naman sila. Parang ganun,
mas
tama ba?
magaling ka na sa
I think that's what I heard.
Yeah.
It's part of the trick. Ayan. This is where Beb learned how to swim. Yan. Way back then when he was younger.
A lot of memories.
Oh, this is the diba? We saw this in Hawaii. They said this is the miracle fruit that can beat cancer daw. They make juice out of it. Like boil.
Iba yun. Pero yan, gamot din yan.
Ano nga pangalan yan? I forgot.
Mahalala
Kasi yan eh, parang na-introduce yan sa amin dun sa Davao. Then bumili si mama. Tapos iniinom niya yung meron daw anti-cancer.
Kasi parang yan, lugar dito yun.
Oh. Hindi naman kampupot. Ha? Apatot?
Apatot, yeah.
Ay, apatot.
That's a place. Somewhere here. Ito, tamo to. Type of fig tree.
Oh, okay. I
Tingnan mo
see
bunga
the
niya,
fruit,
diba?
yeah.
Yeah, that's a fig tree. Pero yung dahon yan, that's what we're using para liha. Magaspang.
Oh, grass, sandpaper.
Pero maliliit lang siya. May variety niya na malalaki, which is yung fig tree kasi na di ba ganon yung dahon niya, parang papaya. Pero may
I like this kind of bamboo.
pinutol lang yan.
Like smaller, but it has a vine. That's why it looks like that.
Blind daw. Dahil pag pinitas mo,
May dagta.
may dagta na puti. Okay, let's try into my may sugat. Mapdi. Mapdi. But this is very good. Nandun po, yung pa isa. Ayun parang effective kagad. Masakit na. Mapdi. Ay, I missed it.
So for wounds,
May yan eh.
anti-inflammatory
Yung bunga
property.
niyan, parang yung binaliktad na mata. Kaya dahil doon, they said nakakabulag. But, ayan
What's the name of this?
I forgot. Maalala ko. Marami niya kasi sa tabi-tabing bahay dati. Makabulding.
Makabolding, meaning nakaka-blind.
Nakabulan. Pero ewan ko may ibang pangalan yun. Marami lang kasi sa aming family, maraming mga foreigner din na kapag-asawa. Pilipina, mga kapag-asawa, di sana dito.
This is where they invest, they retire. So, yeah, it may look like just a simple province, but the people who live here came from different areas of the world, mga nag-abroad. So they're able to invest and make their houses look good. So around this area, malalaman mo kung sino yung may mga kamag-anak na nakapag-abroad kasi talagang magaganda yung mga bahay din. But you still feel the provincial life.
Balong! Check mo na! Ay, ito! Tapos!
Wow!
Tagakaway na gito. Tagakaway sila.
Oh.
Hello! Kumusta? Ano yan? Oh no, no. Kumusta?
Para ka namang ano, Beb? Para ka namang ano tawag ito? Nangangampanya. Nangangampanya. That's already the house? Wala pa. Dami nilang malunggay, oh. Moringa leaves. Malunggay. Nila? Oh. See, they have big houses here too.
Nakikita mo yung outside.
Oh yeah. And we are closer to the house, next to the ark, and here's Beb's house. They have segregation boxes for biodegradable. And
Nay, gusto yan.
he's doing a lot of renovation, a lot of fixing. So, ayan, everything is under work. Ayan.